how to add stickers to photo in Picsart app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Picsart and then you can choose from a recent project or you can even upload an image from your gallery. Just tap on it and then on the bottom, you'll see various icons. Just tap on sticker and you'll get access to various stickers on Picsart. Just choose the one of your choice and then you can place it anywhere on your image and hit apply. That's it. You can also add more stickers if you want to. Uh, and then you can see that you can increase or decrease the opacity, blend, AI match, and also add effects on your stickers. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.